Okay, quick video on the Logitech K360. First off, pull this cover off. Second, you have 20-something screws, Phillips head to remove. Once those are all removed, and this is for the button that, come to find out, pushes down and pops out. So what you have to do is, at least I had to switch it back to off. And then move this position over, and I took a lighter, so it popped down for some reason. Took a little gas butane lighter and heated this end up and pushed it over. See, it's kind of melted. It kind of looked a little there more than it should have, but now it won't pop down and out of track, and it seems to turn on and off okay. So we'll see if this works. I'm going to pause and test. Removing 2 more screws to access bar also comes off. PCB, that is a small PCB. Looks like there's kind of like residue on it also. Those are small components. That's going to need the stereo microscope, and I'm not really about to do that right now. But switch is good. That's about as far as I know. I don't know. What's up with those pins? Is that something on there, or is it supposed to be on there? It's blacker looking.